Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can actually create a ebook KDB, like Amazon KDB cover book you get through Canva. So yeah, in the last video we talked about how you can actually create a Amazon KDB book you get for sales on Amazon you get, and it's actually easy how you can generate your book through ChatGPT and everything. So if you have missed that, you can actually check the link in the description below, or it's actually going to be showing at the top right here. So you can check it and watch it. It's actually one of the best way you can actually make money through AI, and it's actually easy, very easy. Just go and check it out. And if you're new to my YouTube channel and you love my videos, please subscribe. If you're new to my YouTube channel and you think you want to gain more, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell to get notified when I drop new videos. You don't want to miss my videos, so you're going to get notification at the top when I drop new videos every day. You get me? So let's jump into it. So this is actually Canva right here. So if you want to like download your or if you want to like create cookbook, I said cookbook, ebooks, Amazon KDP ebooks, you get. So this is actually, so this is Canva right here. So if you want to like create book cover, you can actually see it's actually right here. It's because I've been using it, you get. So that's why it's showing right here. You might want to try again. So actually showing right here the things that I've been using, you get. So if you want to like check the templates and choose from the free one, you can actually decide to like be like, okay, in the last video we actually talked about romantic stuff, so you can be like romantic, so romantic book cover you get. So I will actually employ you guys, or I will actually like encourage you guys to actually put what you want to search for, like what you are doing at the back of the book cover you get. So probably if you're doing weight loss, just to look for weight loss cookbook book cover you get, because it will be actually very hard for you to like see something like related to that when you don't type it, you get. You just need to be looking for it, which is kind of very stressful. So you can see the pro ones, these ones are the paid. So if you want to like get to know Canva, probably you're new to Canva, you can and you can sign up by using the link in the description. The link in the description below. You can actually sign up through that. So you see, this is actually pro paid, so you can actually pay if you want to like go into it deep and use the pro version. So right here you can see these are free, these are free, these are free, these are free, these are free. So okay, I don't really remember the topic of the book we did last the other time, and it's not actually like we did a book again. I'm just showing you things and how you can actually do yours, you get. So this is actually free, which is so sweet because it looks sweet, you get. So you can actually click it and let us just edit it, and probably romantic relationship. I'll just make a topic. So these are another ones you can actually check on and be like, okay, I want this one. Is not bad really, and it's not pro. Distance between us is not pro, and it's so sweet, you get. This one probably you can use this cover for maybe marriage, because there is a ring, I can see a ring, or romantic or romance, you get. And the relationship, which is not bad, you get. But I decided to use these, you get, soulmates. Yeah. So we're actually going to be changing only the names and the author, you get. Probably you can put a subtitle, and probably you can put a subtitle into it, you get me. So let's wait till it loads up. So this is it right here. You can actually see it. I'm going to increase, like zoom it up, so you can actually zoom yours right here. You can see 60 right here. You can zoom it to whichever way you want it. So I want you guys to see more. You see, these are other ones which you can actually go into, if you are into weight loss, maybe the product is on weight loss, you can go for this. So this, I decided to like make the topic, let me think, romantic relationships. So we need a romantic relationship, romantic relationship, you get, romantic relationship, yeah. So you get what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to like reduce the size of this right here. So I'm going to like highlight it and then reduce it, you get, so it will be so perfect. Yeah, I think that's better. So I'm going to change the spacing. So let's just click it. I want to change the spacing, how it looks like, so you can see I'm moving it up, so it will actually look, so it's actually look very nice. I'm very sorry about the noise on the brand. Yeah, it's actually my neighbor's playing games. So a romance story written by, so yeah, you can actually like put my name, which is this, yeah, then done. That's how you actually create something like this. You get, it's actually very easy when you actually just go into Canva instead of, probably you can use a Illustrator or InDesign to actually, or Photoshop to actually like design yours, you get. But if you want to like design and you don't want to stress yourself, you just want to edit something, or then you can come into Canva. Canva is like the best choice. I've been using Canva for like maybe 3 years now. Yeah, I've been using it for like 3 years now for a lot of stuff. And if I want to like go into the stress and be like, yeah, I want to create it from scratch, I want to bring new perspective about my designs, then I actually go into in Illustrator or Photoshop, you get. So you can actually like do this, all this in another ways, but Canva is actually like the best and easiest options for you. So that's how you actually create your own cookbook in a short minute. Yeah, so if you love my content and you really like it, you want to like get to know more and get more knowledge, you can actually click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. It's actually very fucking free. You don't need to pay for anything. Just smash the subscribe button and smash the notification bell to get notified when I drop new videos. It's just a notification that is actually going to pop up at the top of your video, at the top of your phone, that actually dropped a video recently, you get. So follow up. Thank you very much.